Hi guys, welcome to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita, Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Yatin, again turning out to be a very volatile session given the fact that we opened above that 19,600 mark, but we've fallen below that. Nevertheless, attempting to reclaim that level. In fact, if you look at the advanced decline ratio, there are favoring losers today, and India VIX has jumped over 3%. So there has been a fair bit of volatility right from the start of the week. If you look at some of the sectoral movers, PSU banking index is doing well, up 1%. Nifty Bank has also reclaimed that 45,000 mark as we speak. Metals and FMCG not doing all that well. But some of the IT names are among the top Nifty gainers. We'll come to that. If you look at the Nifty losers, first of all, you have Adani Ports. That's the top loser. It will be coming out with its numbers today,
Yes.
and recent acquisitions are likely to boost earnings, but we'll have to see as numbers are about stated to come out later in the day. M&M is a loser today. Yesterday it was among the top gainers. There's been a drop in June production numbers, so I think on the back of that, the stock is falling. Power Grid, Divi's Lab, that was the top gainer yesterday. It's among the losers today. NTPC and Hindalco ahead of numbers is down. If you look at the gainers, you have Hero Motocorp. Strong bookings for Harley's X440 in excess of
Yeah.
25,000. On the back of that, the shares are on the gaining side. Top Nifty gainer, Cipla hit a fresh 52-week high again today. Tech Mahindra, Wipro, some of the IT names among gainers, SBI Life, Dr.Reddy's, Pharma continues its run. I also, since I'm talking about pharma, I want to talk about Gland Pharma that has hit upper circuit, 20% gains on that stock. Numbers, profit was down, but it's still above estimate. And Cenexi acquisition is something that has boosted performance. And I think it's seen across geographies, it has seen good growth in its business. So that's one stock that's doing extremely well. Bernstein has an outperform rating on the stock, target price at 1742 rupees per share. Aside of that, Maruti also in focus, Yatin, given the
Yeah.
fact that they have said that they will issue preference shares to Suzuki Motor for the acquisition of Suzuki Motor Gujarat. And the valuation at current market price for Suzuki Motor Gujarat is somewhere around 12,300 crore rupees. Hindalco reporting numbers today. First quarter profit may slip 60% on a YY basis on the back of tepid copper, sales as well as lower aluminium prices.
Yeah.
And Coal India is expected to report a very soft first quarter performance. Profit may drop 30% on the back of soft, e-auction realization. So those are some of the large caps making moves in today's session. But Yatin, lots of movers in the mid-cap universe today.
Yeah. So, we have the likes of Superajit Engineering, that stock is up 7%, Hutco, Serra Ceramics, all of these stocks flying in trade. In fact, we also have, the likes of Sham Metal, Suntech Realty, VIP Industries, Bayer Crop Sciences, Angel One, all of these stocks are moving well in trade. On the losing side, we have Graphite, and yesterday the company announced a 1,000 crore rupees land sale to Tata Housing at Bangalore location. Obviously, this news was positive, but probably the market already discounted the news. So it's like sell on news kind of a thing. Stock is down 6%. Electra, after reporting weak set of earnings versus market expectations, the stock is down 5%. Also, Policy Bazaar, and despite a 300 basis points improvement in their contribution margin, we have the stock which is faltering in trade. In fact, some profit taking in Policy Bazaar at current levels. Stock is down 5%, nearly 40% down, 40 rupees down for the likes of Policy Bazaar. We also have pharma stocks and the likes of MedPlus, Max Health, Spark, Polymedicure. All of these stocks, PPL Pharma, are falling in trade by 3 to 4%. Zomato also, after it touched 100 rupees level yesterday, stock witnessed some profit taking at those levels. Today also, the stock is down nearly 3%. And Adani Group stocks, including Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, all of these stocks, Ambuja Cement,
Yeah.
all of them down by nearly 3%. So, across the board, there is some bit of selling which is happening in the likes of Adani Ports. Adani Group stocks. And one more stock I need to mention is RateGain. The management was on CNBC TV 18 speaking about the fundraise plans. They are looking to acquire some similar business, verticals. And post the results, the stock is up 11% right now. So, good going in for RateGain post the earnings conference call, as well as the interaction that happened in which they spoke about the acquisition.
Yeah, I think Zentech is also, I think, extending its gains after a solid run that we saw yesterday. Aside of that, I think we have to watch out for whether or not we manage to reclaim that 19,600 mark, which we've given up as of now. But, of course, RBI's MPC has started its meeting today. It's a 3-day meeting. Thursday is when the rate decision will come out. And more than what they do with rates and stance. It's largely factored in that they will hold rates and stance will also remain unchanged. But it's a commentary on inflation and whether or not the inflation targets are revised upwards. That is something that Street will be keenly watching out for from governor's speech. But nevertheless, I think we've covered most of the movers and shakers in today's session. We'll of course be watching out for what the index does in the second half of the session. We'll be back with closing trade, in fact, at 3:30 p.m. and get you all the stocks that will be on our radar this afternoon. So don't forget to tune in for that. But for now, it's a goodbye from Yatin and me. Thanks a lot for tuning in. For all your other news and updates, keep following Money Control.